Hello, what's up, my people? How na dey? Today, I don't carry another update carry come, and the update I want make we talk about now this update wey they call Gemgala. Gemgala na one update like that we come and come talk say if you use make it dey play small games. They do one or two, see you go they collect. Me I can't decide to try them. So today I go come and share my experience after I done the use them for like 3 to 4 months. So I go share my experience after 4 months where I don't they use this particular update. But before I continue, make una know say that payout review I can't do. Say I don't post more thing for payout too. I don't start to the use them steadily again. So I just want make I update on that. And in fact, yesterday I've been come out small thing. So I still they expect to receive them. Once I receive that my small thing, I go come do another video about that particular payout again to tell you now say make una see as in day and make una see as in day. But today we want to talk about Gemgala. Before I continue, make sure you like this video, share the video, make sure you subscribe so that if I drop new update, they go notify you and now you go be the first person to come watch the update. Okay? And I beg comment where they watch this video from for comment section. I really appreciate and make you know say this one no be tutorial. Now review I call you to come do no be tutorial video. And disclaimer, this one no be financial advice. Me I no be financial advisor. They come here to come share my experience, my 4 months experience using Gemgala. Now yeah, they come here to come share. So me I no go guarantee you anything. No, I know they guarantee you anything. There is absolutely no guarantee. So you can also share your experience in the comment section. Now we see carry me come here and be that Gemgala now up the way talk say if they play game for their platform, you know, like normal fun game. Then get within they call chat room, like 10 people feed inside one group they chat. When I go they compete with una self normal now and I go they chat. We just like friends gather they play Ludo, what all those kind of things. Now, wetin most people no know be say for this Gemgala, this particular blockbuster way they play so now 30,000 of this their score. 30,000 score equals to 10,000 gem. 10,000 gem equals to $1. Now wetin way most people no know now be that 30,000 score for this Gemgala equals to 10,000 gem. 10,000 gem equals to $1. So when people don't they play, they can't reach 10,000 score. They think na 10,000 gem be that. Now wetin people they confuse be that, okay? And then get referral commission where they thought say if they carry your people they come, you understand? You go they collect small commission for the platform. Now waiting with this platform they all about be that. So what be some of the pros and cons for this platform? Number one, the pro be saying they're very easy to navigate, very easy to understand. I mean, if that to just play blockbuster. Number two pro be say this particular platform, if you withdraw your small thing with Naira, put down for your Nigerian account directly. Number three can be say their minimum withdrawal no day high, it day normal around $10. You go come out your small thing for the platform. Very simple. Now another pro can be say for this particular platform, if you carry people come, you understand, they go give you small thing. And if you use that one, the whole body for now. Another thing to come be saying a normal game if you play with other people. Now, what seem can be some of the cons. Number one, be say you go need deposit for you to get some coin. Now those coin we go use, they compete with other people for this particular game. Another thing to come be say for this particular platform, they are withdraw here now 24 hours, no be instantly, and some other things like that. So now some of the things we are not like about the platform now be that the fact say you go need put some more thing before if you collect something for the platform, like to buy the coin and all those ones. If you don't get that coin, if you do some kind of things for the platforms too, you understand? So now what you need to know now be that. Now another thing where they here be say the update makes sense. If you just they use them like your normal social media way, you go just they post your things normal. And the thing we can they be say if I want to rate this platform from 1 to 10, I'll give them 6 over 10. Yeah, I'll give them 6 over 10. The truth be say get people who they take this up they seriously. Now see this particular guy here, they take him seriously. Get people who they take him seriously. Get people who then they sleep here. So you get some people with Nadia work be this, but you know go take him like that as a beginner. You go just they do them for your free time, all those kind of things. Okay, so now so with this particular Gemgala they and I don't come out my small things here 3 to 4 times. If you calculate time total, if you reach around $40 to $50 because I get around $16 for my wallet like this. Okay, so now so wey dey update dey, and I like am be say dey fit send you small input for your Nigerian account after 24 hours. But no be tutorial be this. If you wan see the tutorial, make you check my seedling account. I be don do tutorial drop there, how if you take go about and how if you take the all those things, how you go take the comot your small thing, how you go take the play, all those kind of things. I don't do them for my seedling account, so go check my seedling account, the tutorial dey my seedling account. Make sure see they follow me there so that you go to collect different updates for my side. Okay, I go see you now for my next video. Drop your own opinion for comment section. What thing you go rate this particular app? How long you don't use the app? The app they work for you? App you know they work for you? Which location where you from? Which location where they use the app from? Just tell us for comment section. I go see you now for my next video, and bye for now.